Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is solve the equation 2x square plus x minus 3. So this is a quadratic equation. So what do you mean by quadratic equation? You have to see the highest power of the unknown value. Here the unknown value is x. So what is the highest power of x in this equation? It is 2. So when the highest power of the unknown variable is 2, you can call it as a quadratic equation. A linear equation means the highest power of x is equal to 1. So suppose you say 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. So this is a linear equation because the highest power of the unknown variable is 1. But here you can see the highest power of the unknown variable is 2. So 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means is equal to 0 is also there. It is an equation. 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here the highest power of the unknown variable x is equal to 2. So it is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equations are very common for competitive exams. So this is just a basic video. So how to solve this? 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. For this kind of questions, you have to find out two numbers such that the sum of the two numbers should be equal to 1. How do you get this 1? It is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x should be the sum of the two numbers. And what should be the product of the two numbers? Product of the two numbers should be minus 3 into 2. The constant into the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is equal to 2. So 2 into minus 3 which gives you minus 6. So your aim is to find out two numbers. A quadratic equation will be having two numbers as solutions. Quadratic equation will be having two numbers as solutions. A linear equation will be having one number as the solution. So here you have to find out two numbers such that their sum is equal to 1 and their product is equal to minus 6. So can you find two such numbers? You have to get product is equal to minus 6. So if it is 3 and 2, you will be getting product is equal to 6. So your two numbers will be 3 and minus 2. 3 and minus 2 means their sum is equal to plus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and their product is equal to 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6. So you can rewrite this equation like 2x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So you are just splitting up this x. You have to get sum is equal to x. So you can split it up as minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. So you can take 2x common here. So x minus 1 plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you will be getting 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So which gives you two values for x. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 or x is equal to 1. By solving this equation, you will be getting product is equal to 0 only when the individual elements are also equal to 0. 2x plus 3 also should be equal to 0. X minus 1 also should be equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 will be giving you x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and x minus 1 is equal to 0 will be giving you x is equal to 1. So for these kind of questions, you have to find out two numbers such that their sum is equal to coefficient of x and their product is equal to the product of the constant and the coefficient of x square. So as you do more and more problems, this becomes clear to you. Now second question, solve 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here also equal to 0. So 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have to find out two numbers such that their sum is equal to minus 1. Their sum should be equal to the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is equal to minus 1. So their sum is equal to minus 1 and what about their product? Their product should be equal to the product of coefficient of x square into constant. So minus 2 into 6 or minus 12 should be the product. So minus 12 should come as the product and sum should be minus 1. So 12 should come as the product means you can Remember 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 means if minus 4 and 3 you are considering means their sum is equal to minus 1 and their product is equal to minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 and minus 4 into 3 is equal to minus 12. So you got your two numbers. So how you can write them? 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you will be getting 3x into 2x plus 1 minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you will be getting 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are your values. X is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So one more question, 25x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So 25x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Here also it is a quadratic equation. The highest power of the unknown variable x square is 2. Unknown variable is x and the highest power of x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So here there is no coefficient of x, but here you can directly write 25x square is equal to 1, 0 plus 1, 25x square is equal to 1, which gives you x square is equal to 1 by 25. So what will be the values of x? X will be equal to root of 1 by 25, which will be giving you plus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Both will be giving you root of 25 means plus or minus 5. Plus 5 into plus 5 will also be giving you 25. Minus 5 into minus 5 also will be giving you 25. So your answer is x is equal to plus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. So you have to always remember a quadratic equation will be having two values. So here also you are having two values for x, plus 1 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Thank you for watching.